Okay, this is quarters coverage for the Bears if it ever was one. So they're going to be quarters or cover four, and it's dead on. They're in a dime defense too. They have 6 defensive backs, only 1 linebacker out in the middle of the field. The responsibilities for quarters are, especially with the safeties, the number 2 receivers, the 2 inside guys. If they're not deep, go help your buddy on the sidelines with number 1. If number 2 does go deep, help him out. Let's see what happens. This is going to be a mirrored route by the Lions, so both sides will be running the same exact thing. Okay, the 2 inside receivers will run outs, occupying the flat defenders. Okay, they'll be pressing vertical. The touchdown goes over here. If you watch the safety, he kind of stares down and he just kind of walks by him. Here's a TV replay of it. So they already got Gibson circled. He's the safety. Hockenson running out, so he is gone from his responsibility, or Gibson's responsibility. He can just focus on number 1, the number 1 receiver, Marvin Jones, and he just kind of doesn't. Jalen Johnson has got deep third, so Jalen Johnson's taking his deep third, and then Gibson kind of doesn't help him. So there's some quarters for you that doesn't work. For our other play example, the Bears are going to be in dime personnel again, 6 defensive backs, and the Lions will be in 11 personnel with 1 tight end, 3 receivers. Real quick, as you see them come over to make trips on this side, make a cluster basically, or close to it, Fuller's going to drop off, and they're going to look like they're going to be in quarters coverage. You see 2 high safeties. You're like, okay, cool. And here's the rare occasion where watch Eddie Jackson will kind of move down to cover the hook curl area and turning it into cover 3. So Fuller, Johnson, Gibson will be the 3 deep defenders. So as the play gets rolling here, focus on, here's where the ball's going. You see really, this is the deep safety, this is the deep corner. These guys have the flats, and Jackson's going to come down and take the hook curl area. So here's some disguising actually for once from Pagano. But again, Gibson kind of, his responsibility is to stay deep, deepest part, he's deep thirds, but they just kind of run the route right underneath him. If you watch right here, presses about 15 and breaks right in and sinks into his hands. The disappointing thing is, too, that's a 3rd and 14 route. He's running a deep dig, about 10-15 yards, the perfect distance to do that with.